Hi, good evening everybody, it's Matt Mathias here. Now this is my Empower network blog. It's quite a good blogging system. It looks good and it's been totally SEO'd to get people to the page, and when people are on the page to get them to click the adverts around here. Now if they click here, they'll go on to the Empower Network Sales page. If they click here, the Empower Network Sales page, and if they click down there, then they'll go on to one of my other businesses, the 7-minute workout. Okay, so they can click on there, they'll get a tour. Now the whole point is, when you first receive this, you're not going to get an advert here. The reason why you're not going to get an advert there is everybody's different, obviously. Now if you look down here, you've got tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of space. Now you shouldn't have any space there. They should be full of banners, full of adverts, because if people have seen this before, you know, people are going to tour this from your Empower Network group. You can actually get them in then. You know, you could have an Aweber advert, affiliate advert, Amazon adverts, anything up there that would help. Now how do you get your advert in there? Well, what you need to do is you need to go into your members area, and once you're into your members area, you can then start changing things. Okay, now if I'm going down here and if I move this here, you will see in the appearance section you've got to press widgets. Press widgets, and you can see here I've got the text one up there already, but I could actually move that over. Now for example, all I did was move that text widget and put it up in the primary area here. So I'll move another text widget up, and it should have no problem at all. I could put that other text widget up there, and all I've got to do is now put the code for the advert in here. Okay, code for the banner in there. Now one of my other business is Fantasy. Now some of you might know it, some of you might not. So if I click on here and I'll just type in fantasy.com, and once I'm into fantasy.com, they've got a lot of promotional things as well, and banners and everything. So I sign into my account here. Now you could get banners from anywhere really, but you know, if you're in a good opportunity, usually they will have banners up there for you. Okay, so we'll actually try that again. I think I'm using Chrome here, and Chrome does often give me that problem. Now I'm going in to my back office. I could go to the dashboard here, and you can have a lot of things here showing your business. I've just got to remember now how to get the messages up. So I'll go to my office, and in my office it will have a marketing here. So I can go into marketing, and I'll go to web, and those are all my websites there. Okay, now what I need is banners, and you could go across here. I've got banners, and these are all the different banners I've got. What I need, if I look at this, it'll give you the idea of the size of them. Okay, so I've got about a space of 300. So this is 125, 125. It's a square. So what I'll do is I'll just copy that, and I'll go back to my widgets, and I'll just paste it in. Now can you see the width is 125 and 1 to 5, I just put in 300 because that's the width of the column, and you want to match it up with the other adverts, and I press save. And then if I just go to the visit site and I scroll down here, I'll just move it across slightly, but if I scroll down you can see the advert, that existing advert there, that's the one I did before, and you can see the one for fantasy. Now probably that's a bit blurred, but it doesn't matter because it does the job. Now what I'm going to do then is add extra ones from my other businesses there, and when people come on it, hopefully then they'll go straight, if they've seen the existing opportunity, if they see the Empower Network opportunity, they'll go for that surely. But if they're part of Empower Network already and they want to click on some of these, then that's fantastic. Okay, it's Matt Matthias here. I've been talking for 6 minutes. If this is on YouTube, click on the link below. If it's not on YouTube, make sure you click on some of these adverts and try and keep the wolf from the door. Okay, good night.